Spending 9 francs for a light bulb.
Every day's a new adventure, daylights renewed, embracing those who view the enter, captivated by the vibes of our YouTube channel. Hit subscribe on your YouTube handle, Ian and Tina now.
Hello people!
Welcome back to Ian and Tina.
Welcome to another vlog.
Yes.
As you can see, we're in the car, so today we're going to take you on the road with us.
Yes.
We plan to do some shopping today in IKEA.
IKEA or IKEA, wherever you are in the world.
Yeah, I'm sure. If you're in North America, you say IKEA.
Yeah.
Or if you're in England, you say IKEA. If you're in the German side or Europe, I think the whole Europe.
Yeah.
I was about to say Ganze Europe.
German on.
The whole Europe.
Yeah.
Would say IKEA.
IKEA, yeah.
So, today we've got a $500 budget. 500 francs budget,
Yes.
which is the same as $500 budget. And I have to watch her, you know. But in all truth, she's made a list. So I'm just
I've got
gonna
a
be
list now, so
you
you've
know.
encouraged me to make a list, so
I'm just gonna be the guy that's pushing around the trolley.
exactly.
And
And saying, yeah. No,
or no,
yeah.
you know, I do make some executive decision. Anyway, people, I'm gonna show you en route how we get to IKEA, and then as we get there, we will show you what we buy.
Exactly.
So
I'm driving today. I'm the pilot, so
yes, as you guys know, I'm kind of handicapped for another few weeks or maybe months. Who knows how long I'll be handicapped for? But
let's hope it's not too long.
But Wife for Life's got the wheels, and I don't mind being the passenger.
Yeah.
You know. So let's go on the road, people. Okay, people.
We're here.
So, hope you enjoyed that little journey to IKEA. It's about a 20-minute drive from our home.
Yes.
Yeah, but I'm sure, you know, you guys saw it in internet time.
Yeah, well, 1 second.
So, let's go do this shopping and see what's up. It's not bad at all.
No.
Woo! Ooh, look at this. Wow. Wow, that is nice. Yes. Little markings. This way we can't get lost. Now left. Oh wow. Does it smell good?
Potato for dinner? Chopsticks. Oh.
Let's see what's in your pot.
A nice big potato. This is a nice office. Let's see where he is. I've lost him. Not sure where he is. Oh! Yes, there he is in his rightful place.
What can I do for?
Well, can I please order?
Just a minute, I'm actually typing here.
What are you typing? Typing nothing. See?
Help me. I can glide over here.
Glide over there.
Let me have my cup.
Cup of tea.
Waffle light? Could you hold my calls, please?
Another office setting.
Now this is more like it.
Yes. It's a more healthier environment because you got fruit
It's
on the
more
table.
executive setting. And as you can see, I've got vitamins and stuff.
Vitamin, whatever that is, apple.
My secretary, I'll use your term. My secretary Deborah will come and get you.
Who? Good morning. Such a nice sleep in his bed.
Very cozy bedroom. You've got men's clothes in there. Which man have you got here?
Coffee time.
Yes.
Right into the kitchen. Yes.
Morning email.
Yes. It's in the bathroom. Brushing his teeth.
This is my pretend toothbrush.
Spit.
First item. Hold it, let me see if I can. Now that we've had our fun,
Yes, we've had a look upstairs and what we would like. Well, we didn't see anything actually. We were just pissing around.
right? Now the serious shopping
Yeah.
begins,
Where's
and
my list?
we're gonna start putting things in the list. Let's see your list. That's a list. Looks more than 500 to me. Because they used to smell better than that. All right, it's cool. We'll have to.
Little scratches. We're buying champagne flutes.
Decided to get these ones over those ones. Because the difference is it's got a shorter stem,
Yes.
a longer drinking capacity, I would say. But I think these are classier.
Better.
So we'll
We're going with those. Grab a box. Not that one though. Too many people have been in it.
You know what the wife says?
Check it.
The These are something totally different.
They're good.
6 of those.
And the fitted sheet is supposed to be $22.95, so I think it's that one. 180 by 200.
Yeah.
Right?
Nice.
We call it a transformer light.
Alright, we'll get one of those then.
Okay.
They're over here. So it comes with excluding an E27 bulb. Yep. But here they want $8.95 for a bulb. So, carpet it is. Okay. I'm gonna carry this. I split it like this, you know?
Yeah. Yep. Maybe you have to carry that in your hand.
It's over managing the car.
Oh, put it here. Yeah. Rest it there.
Okay.
Good job.
So, this is pretty much how I'm going to be carrying this. And the wife for life will be carrying that like that. So, now we're finished shopping. That's it, people. There it is. Struggling here. Somebody better pay me for this. Hold on, I have to stop. Catch you guys in a minute. Okay. Let's get it. So, shopping done. I swear they're playing Kenny Rogers. Music that I thought I would never hear 30 years later in my life. They're playing here in Switzerland. I mean, in Switzerland they'll surprise you.
Yes, definitely. I had Bobby Brown the other day.
Yes. There she is. With all the delicate stuff there, we paid $9 for a bulb.
$9. Oh. Yay. Well, but we'll be...
That
Okay,
looks about right.
let's see. Yeah.
Yeah. No, we're okay.
Open it again just in case. Okay, nothing squashed. My bag. Come back soon.
That's the old.
Yeah. Oh, hello people.
So,
We are back.
hot
Hubby's
and
out,
sweaty.
yeah, hubby's out of breath because he carried everything up the stairs.
Have to, you know.
So.
You know how it is with parking here in Zurich. So somebody had to babysit a car while, you know, so I had to come up the stairs. It was only 2 trips, but they were kind of, the first one was heavy. Because I had the big rug. But yeah, we're gonna get something to eat, freshen up, put the rugs down, and the lamps show you guys before we sign off.
Exactly.
Alright, let's get it.
And we're back.
This is about 2.5 hours later.
But in video time, vlog time,
About 2 minutes.
2 seconds.
So people, we're finished.
Yeah.
So let's give them a walkthrough.
Little tour.
So as you can see, new carpet down and new carpet also under the dining table.
Yeah.
That was a little task for us. We've put one of the old carpet.
In our bedroom.
That's Wife for Life's idea,
Yeah.
you know. If it was left up to me, everything would go in the bin. This is our new duvet and duvet set.
Yeah.
This was the hardest work. You know, that took
like an hour.
that took about an hour. Come on now, demonstrate. Yeah. Well, put the lights on so we can see the real deal. There you go. And shut it down. There you go. And open it.
Scary still. I think I'm gonna yank it down.
There you go. We call that the transformer light. What else did we do? That was it. So bed cover, carpet on the ground.
A few things in the kitchen to rearrange.
Right.
And also a shower curtain, remember, we have to put that up as well.
Right. Yeah, that's it. Wine glasses there. A new wok.
I have to find somewhere to put them because the cupboards are like full, so yeah, where are they gonna go?
I'm not so sure where they're gonna live. Somebody's got a closet, you know. So that's pretty much it for now. Oh,
That's it.
did we show the lamps?
Oh no, we didn't.
Oh, we didn't show the lamps. So let's show the lamps. We've got one bulb in. So if you turn it on at the switch there, babe.
Yeah.
Yeah. So what we forgot to do was buy bulbs.
Buy one.
So we had one extra bulb,
Yeah.
but we need a bulb for that one in the
You
corner.
could lend
over
one
there.
from the cupboard.
Borrow.
Borrow. We could borrow one from the cupboard for now.
Yeah. But it looks good for now.
Yeah.
My only hiccup is that I thought it would look better if it was black lampshade.
Yeah.
But that's just a thought because we need a new sofa.
Yeah, so we're going to change the sofa. We wanted actually a white one, a white leather one.
Because we're going with the whole black and white
Yeah,
theme.
we're going with the whole black and white theme, but I think that a black sofa would look better in here now. Well,
Yeah.
not so much black,
But grey, let's
maybe
see.
a dark grey.
Yeah.
What do y'all think?
Because that cream sofa just looks so out of place now.
Yes, it does.
So we gotta throw that out and
Yeah.
get something to go with the dining table.
Exactly.
I like the theme of the dining table, but we need to change those chairs. We've had those chairs for about 3-4 years.
Oh, yeah.
You know, so we need to change that.
That's about it for our home
That's
improvement.
about it for our IKEA run.
IKEA home improvement, yes.
Right, so in the end we spent about 410 francs, which wasn't so bad. Wasn't so bad for her. She normally just goes and goes and goes. You know, when we put a budget for 500, you know, in my brain I'm thinking maybe 700 with her. If it's up to me, 500 means 500.
But we had a few little special offers as well. Some like some % off.
Right.
I had a little voucher for
15% here, 15% there.
Yeah.
So yeah. And we had this as well, which was scented candles. I used to love IKEA scented candles.
Candles.
I used to love IKEA scented candles, but I don't know if it's just me. I just think they don't smell as vanilla anymore.
No, because they used to smell really strong before.
You know, everything is being diluted.
As soon as you walk through the door,
yeah, you could smell it. But now it's like and it's $2.95 for it.
$2.95 each.
$2.95, but it's cool. $2.95. We used to pay $2.50 before. Yeah, they used to be $2.50.
And in England?
Oh, in England it's different. It's about £1.50. Yeah. But the hardest buy that we had to buy today, that I think was the hardest buy, was spending 9 francs for a light bulb. And it wasn't even bright. That's the light bulb. That's the bulb that's in the transformer lamp, you know.
Well, maybe they're saying you're supposed to be romantic.
In the bedroom, yes. We're also doing another art for the bedroom, but we can't show that, you know, that right there is more, it's an adult theme art.
Yeah, erotic art.
Yes.
But maybe we'll put in a link.
Yes, so you can see it, you know, it's an erotic art. Yeah. Because back in my bachelor days, you know, before we lived together, in my house, it was just all erotic art. You know, all erotic art.
No children allowed in that house.
You know. So by the time Jay came along and we decided to make it
all came down.
But Jay's a big boy now. Sometimes he does come in our bedrooms, but he's almost 18. You know, it won't offend him as much anymore. No, you know,
of course not.
Yes. But people, that's pretty much it for now. Yeah. You know, that's the piece that Wife for Life did. We're very pleased with it.
And I did revamp our old one, if you remember.
It was
a plain background.
It was very plain, so we did a whole Jamaican theme to it.
Yeah.
You know, and I thought, that's nice. So that's pretty much it for now, people.
Yes. So until our next vlog. Hope you enjoyed this one. So
yeah, because we've been a bit scarce.
Yeah, probably about the last time we vlogged was about 2 or 3 weeks ago.
Yeah, but we've been scarce because, like we said before, we don't want to bore our subscribers.
We come at you with something exciting, and we're not so much into pranks or what's the other things, challenges. So you know, we've been asked by a few of our viewers
that we should do pranks and challenges,
but it's not our thing.
But speaking of challenges, I did challenge Wife for Life to peel an orange like a Jamaican. So that's pretty much it for now. Yeah.
Okay, people. Thanks for watching, and see you soon. Ciao for now.
Ciao for now.